What happens to your body if you sleep 8 hours every day? A study shows that sleeping for 8 hours regularly is not really a luxury, but more an essential part of a healthy routine. Lacking sleeping hours can seriously affect your mental, emotional, and physical health. Researchers found that only about 40% of people get enough sleep at night. Let's have a look at what happens if you start prioritizing your sleep. We at Knowlesium believe it's very important to keep an eye on different findings about our well-being and can't wait to share this info with you. Number 1. You will learn new things quicker. If you don't get enough sleep, it has an effect on how well you can concentrate on new skills and remember new things. Scientists found that we process new information while sleeping. In other words, your mind and body are better in the morning after you've had a proper rest than before you hit the pillow the night before. And this applies to any new skills, from university studying to playing a new sport. Number 2. You will be more aware. When you get enough rest regularly, your concentration, focus, and problem-solving skills are functioning at their optimal levels. You can think more clearly and make decisions quicker. Number 3. You will control your weight easier. This study has shown that while we are sleeping, we generate a hormone called leptin that tells our body that we're full and that we don't need any more food. When we don't get enough rest, it gets out of balance and we start getting food cravings. Number 4. Your health will improve. Scientists found that getting enough sleep will not only reduce our level of stress, but also prevent the risk of getting high blood pressure and high cholesterol. Sleep deprivation may also lead to all sorts of heart-related issues. Number 5. You may prevent the development of diabetes. Research has found that sleep makes a big difference in regulating blood sugar and sensitivity to insulin, and as a result, preventing type 2 diabetes. It seems that the deep stage of sleep is especially critical for this, and if you shorten your sleeping time, you are very likely to skip that important part. Number 6. You will recover from the cold quicker. Do you feel sleepy when you are sick? Well, apparently there's a reason for this. Studies have proven that our body goes into sleep mode to recover. This sleep mode is when our immune system is the most effective for fighting off bacteria. Number 7. Your skin will look better. Our skin is a very good indicator of our general health and well-being. You may be able to mask it, but you can't really fool it. Our skin is our biggest organ and it gets constant exposure to the weather, UV light, dust, and sun, and when we sleep, our skin repairs itself. Number 8. You'll be a safer driver. We have all driven at least once while being very tired. And while often it seems that we don't have a choice, we need to start making this choice a priority. This study showed that drivers who lacked enough sleep performed more like alcohol-affected drivers. Number 9. Your balance will improve. When you get enough sleep, your coordination and balance get better, preventing you from all kinds of physical injuries and accidents. How many hours do you normally sleep? Do you feel better when you manage to get that 8-hour break? Tell us your thoughts in the comment box below. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button, send us your feedback in the comment box, also share it with your friends. Follow our channel Knowlesium and stay tuned for more.